Today we're going to be looking at how to subtract integers. Specifically, we're going to be looking at how to subtract a positive integer from a negative integer. We have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together here, so let's get started. For question number 1, we're being asked to subtract positive 4 from negative 6. And as we can see up top here, highlighted in yellow, whenever we're subtracting a positive integer, we're going to be decreasing in value. So to make sense of what I just said there, we're going to write out a number line here to help us for question number 1. And we're going to be starting out at the starting point of negative 6. So let's write that out. We have our negative 6. And then since we're going to be decreasing in value by 4, we're going to be moving 4 spaces to the left. So let's go ahead and write out our 4 spaces to the left. So we have 1, 2, 3, and lastly 4. And now we're going to label those 4 spaces. So since we're moving to the left from negative 6, the next number is going to be negative 7, then negative 8, negative 9, and lastly negative 10 for our answer. So when we subtract positive 4 from negative 6, we get the answer of negative 10. Now there is a simpler way to do this, and what we're going to do is we're actually just going to add the opposite in order to get to the same answer. So let's rewrite out this problem. We have negative 6, and then this time we're going to be adding instead of subtracting. So we're going to put our addition symbol here, and then what's the opposite of positive 4? Well, the opposite of positive 4 is negative 4. So we're going to be adding negative 4 onto our negative 6. Well, when we add negative 4 onto negative 6, we get negative 10, just like we did when we worked through this problem using the number line. Now moving on to question number 2, where this time we're being asked to subtract a positive 6 from negative 12. So this time we're going to add the opposite. So we have our negative 12, and then we're going to add the opposite of positive 6. Well, that's negative 6, so we're just going to add our negative 6 onto our negative 12. And that's going to give us negative 18. So when we subtract positive 6 from negative 12, we get the answer of negative 18. So hopefully by now you understand how to subtract integers. Specifically, how to subtract a positive integer from a negative integer. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.